Silvusela Masatamahle, Kusnat FM, Don Vusela Gunamte Seni, Muir Edita was not in Kolisogamoto. Namsha Shelo Masatamahle, 25 minutes to 12, Singena Jesna Snat Federal Services. Luane Mbona Wojina Mshandana, Mweno Pala was not Federal Services. Comrade Bonkos Wagadamini, Singena Naifuzi Treasurer was not Federal Services, Comrade CD Leshantuani, Lesnai Fusnam Shaitan, Muya Marketing Officer, I'm not knowing a middle comrade. Is Naroma Pesha Yamalinzi, Samasamashi, Sidani Kombisa, now comrade Loma Pesha Zinis, Malinzisa. Nangulo munye futhi labasen comrade Cindy lensha ncungane Masonda Mahle sta ukhuluma ke ngasinat Federal Service lamuhla nangu nje nobhala lana is ready to take us through ukuthi umbani Snat Federal Services unawo ama policies lanawo Snat Federal Services nekuthi yini inhlobo yema services la offered by Snat Federal Services badawukhuluma bonke ke Masonda Mahle singamchithi isikhathi senu si police ukuthi siphutile ukungena futhi lamuhla ngiyo imisebenzi lephithile lawo nobhala wabathiyo
siyabonga editor sivusele Maswati nabothishela bonke eveni sibonga lelithuba le ukuthi sikhona ukukhulumisa indzaba taSnat Burial Services. Kumbeke umuntu angaqala ngalokuchaza lo ukuthi Snat Burial Services uyini uqhamukaphi sitawukhumbula comrades ukuthi besisolo sina Snat Burial Scheme akakafike solo ukhona nanyalo kwakungilomunye umgomo leyabakhona ekuthenini ezi Snat Burial Scheme akhula kufanele lo ukuthi sigcine sinayo i-funeral home. It is part of lama objectives le Snat Burial Scheme. Le funeral home ngelo burial services. Iyahlukile in terms of operation in the sense that yona ayisagcini nje ngaloko ukuthi ikhiphe imali mhlawumbe imalunga nakashonele ku endema claims seyigcine iyenze futhi ifike nasekuthenini isingcwabele abantu uhlobo tethu. Burial services ke comrades owner bothishela, that is the ownership. It's 100% owned by teachers. And lokunye lokuvelile ukuthi emalunga ayafuna lokuqonza kahle kuloko ukuthi sekatawenda njani ke emalunga nanto claim abo 15,000 nabo 6,000 nabe alahlekelwe ihlobo. Lokho sitasichaze lokho ukuthi burial scheme usesekhona uya exista and responsibility yakhe ngiloku bhadala emalunga nakashonelwe. Bese burial services yena si encourage ukuthi emalunga uma ngabe ashonele athathe le package ngale ku company A le burial scheme abuye atobhadala le service ngala ku burial services. So kwehlukene. So emalunga asesenayo access yaleyo mali leyo ke lo 6,000 kuma beneficiary 15,000 emalangeni ku spouse na ku member. Burial services kwanyalo because tawukhumbula ku last AGM nasi methula burial services ukuthi sifuna aqale asebende kwavunyelwana lokho ukuthi for the time being the executive yaSnat Burial Scheme asave monitor burial services. So i-management yakhe nje is still under law burial scheme executive. Maybe kwenza lapho emalunga atawu abe nemibuto leminyenti again lefuna ukutholisisa kahle ukuthi asakhona yini policies or bylaws that are guiding the operations of the burial services company. singakusho lokho kuqace ngokuthi asacraftiwe lama bylaws and si kuwa bukela ukuthi nase sifika ku AGM abe adopted asebenze but ke sitawusho lokuthi akakakhweshi kakhulu la kulo burial scheme and akakakhweshi kakhulu ku constitution yaSNAT. Lo munye ke umbuto loba khona emalungeni kuba ngilokuthi le company lena accessible into the general population, that is the Swazis and other people beside teachers. Nako lokho sike sakusho siyachaza lokuthi lesikubambile kakhulu for teachers ngile ownership, but the service is available, accessible to all people leba interested in getting the service. And ke vele sitakusho kuqaqa lokuthi eMaswati agete asebenzise burial services for the young service, because loku le service yethu in as far as we are concerned says in elisetulu and as well as friendly in terms of finances. Staff certificate professional but baraqhaza especially marketing wethu ngala utaqhaza lonke lokho, but to be precise sithi onke eMaswati avumelekile kusitakala ku burial services. Then kukhona ke i-idea mhlawumbe lesifisa lokho ukuthi emalunga abe nayo I understand kube khona ticelo letithi hey eMaswati nyalo lamanye asafisa ukuthi kube nale cremation. Sitakusho kuqaqa lokuthi ma comrades le business has just started, but we are looking forward to that. Ngekusitwa ngini engingiwo emalunga ne research ethu sibonile ukuthi ku possible to do that, and in the not so distant future sicabanga lo ukuthi sitabe sinayo le facility cremation in our company le burial services. Angathi editor nabe kukhona lokusele
nobhala siyabonga my leader, so clarifyile sitawunika lithuba mazadamahle ukuthi nishaye inombolo endawushaya kuyo +268 7606 5972 noma ku +268 7906 5972. Ngidawucela marketing avele ngala nobhala ngicela ngenhlonipho lenkulu my leader, ngifuna nayi background le background leyo masadamahle inalama packages kuthi SNAT burial services u-offerisha nange ama-packages. Ngidawucela ukuthi marketing comrade loma pheshe yamalenzizi asithathe through, niyambona nje masadamahle nguye marketing wethu aka-SNAT burial services, udathi ke take us through ukuthi ngimaphi ama-packages la available ka-SNAT burial services. Over to you my leader.
Nginibingelela uthishela, ngibingelele neMaswati onke even lamswati. Sakachazile ke editor lengidakusho ma comrades ngidabe ngikhuluma ngokuthi ngabe thine nje singu burial services ngumaphi lama services leswa offerishako, njengoba sakachazile ke lo nganga secretary ngokuthi thine kahle kahle imandate yethu lenkulu ngokuthi si offerisha ema burial services. Sakubuka ke ngoba esikhatsini lesinengi abantu baye batibute ukuthi nakufika a new entrant into the market baye batibute ukuthi uphetheni yini wena lotanako lokuhlukile lete yona i-competition. Uma ke sihlala phasi kwakhiwa le nkampani le sabuka ngoba nathi siMaswati siphila kulo le live sike safelwa tihlobo tethu lokunengi nathi sakufunza khona la ekuhluphekweni kwekufela. So sase siyabuka ukuthi esikhatsini lesinenge eMaswati nakafuna ukungcwaba umuntu aye afune ukuthi sifundisa lowo muntu labe kamthanza sibonakale ngisho noma sekahamba kubonakale ukuthi hayi lo lele la bekangumuntu lo bekasida noma bekangumuntu ke lo bekathanda balamndenini. So tsineke lokho sikubukile sathi indlela lesitakwenza ngayo ema prices ethu lestawa introducer la kule market ma prices la tawuba ne wild range ukuthi noma ngabe tandla tethu katilingani noma ngabe ke encenye nithi niyacokelela emndenini ukuze ningcwabe nikhona kusingcwaba sihlobo senu nanaloyo ke lothi yena mina ke nginayo imali ngifuna ukuthi isihlobo sami kubonakala naye loyo simfakile ekhathi kulawo ma packages ethu lesinawo info ke lesivame kuyenda thina uyakhona kusishayela uma usishayela uthi mina la ngila endasi kaLavumisa sengishonelwe ngishonelwe sihlobo sami uyashaya inombolo lo ishayela konke la ekhaya ithi 2505 6391 utabathola ke bo driver bethu laba very eager to help you ubashayele ubacele ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ningilandzele isihlobo sami sesishonile but awusuka ke bo driver bethu ngekuphangisa bafike basithathe isihlobo sakho netimali ke lesicharge ko masilanza lesihlobo takho timali letikhombisa ko ukuthi sitekto site maswati sitekto lekelele maswati asigeti nje kutothatha konke labanako siteke ukuthi nani noma nisita ukuthi le business siyikhulise nathi asinisite sinike iservice letani igculisa sifike kuba sifika la ekhaya umfu wakho sidamfaka emoshali sine emoshali facility ke la ekhaya nayo le open 7 days a week 24 hours uma sesimfakile ke emoshali uma kutawendeka wena uthenge la ngakithi libhokisi leyo facility yakho leyo yasemoshali angeke uze uyibhadalele itabe seyingenile kulama packages lesatawa chaza kabanti la ngendasi ufike ke lapha nakhona na utawukhetha kunayo yonke inhlobo from ema coffins to ema caskets to ema domes kuye ngekuthi wena liso lakhe lifike la Tanzania labona ukuthi isihlobo sakho yini lokutayibuyisa kahle idignity yaso na usibeka phansi wena so usivalelisa endlini yaso yekugcina so lokunye ke lesiyasikwende siyagezela umuntu wakho simgeze abonakale amuhle noma sekangenile endlini yakhe yekugcina simgcokise sim provide ngelishidi siphinze futhi noma sesikumixele ekhaya uma ngabe uthethe lama packages ethu asinokucharge sidakumixela free of charge ekhaya dihambe netihlobo takho sikwendele kahle umgcwabo wakho ema packages ke lesinawo sitawucala ngebronze ibronze yethu ke yendelwe the low income earners to average uma sikukwendela umgcwaba ngale bronze emgcwabeni siyeta sikufike sifake igazibo lena leba la lehlala tihlobo takho letitongcwaba letitekupheketela wena titokusingatha nawe wena lo ngcwabakho tiba na 10 wetitulo sibeke mandi la branded la 10 sibe nema roses lotawajika la cards ethuneni lang 10 kuba nemoto ke le 1 letawumikisa lesithumbe ekhaya sibanana kwembali ke lokuncane kwasemathuneni lesiye sikubide ngokuthi i-coffin spray bese ke i-package yethu yesibili kuba nesilver labo ke middle income earners khona ke sizakwendela titulo takho tibe 20 siyawudecorate lapho sibrande kahle kubonakale ukuthi snat burial services ufikile futhi ufike ngemandla kube na 20 bottled water siphinze sikwendele 20 wema roses sibeke nale medium coffin spray siphinze tukwaloko singete a family car sibe na 100 wama programs sikwendele i-A3 i-photo isithombe salo muntu wakho loshonile siphinze siku-organizele ukuthi ube nema-signs lotawabeka emgwacweni ukuze ukuthi utshengise abantu ukuthi ngikuphi labaya ngakhona sibese-ke sesiba nengubo noma ke ifree kuye ukuthi wena ukuthanze kuphi kulokuyithu lesitayibeka la ngetulo kwaleli bhokisi bese ke ipackage yethu yekugcina leyo ke lo sithi ngisongci wethu longiyena atawu nangabe nje sihlobo sakho wade kahle ukuthi a son of the soil is being laid to rest nawe ufuna ukutshengisa ukuthi lo mfu wakho bomthanza futhi uyayicelebrate lempilo la iphilile asaphile emhlabathini lapho ke siba na 2 ema family cars sibe na 200 wala ma programs sibe nebhena lenkhulu lesiyibeka ko lapha letaba nesithombe sakhe isho konke lokucelebrate ako ngaloyo mvu wakho. Siphinde sibe nemithoyi ngoba kuletinye tindzawo ukhanza kwekuthi ema-toilets akasiko available kahle. Sitawabeka thina ama-toilets bantfu batawukhona kwekuthi labete kutokusingatha baye kuyongena kulawo ma-toilets. Siphinde tukwaloko sibe nema-speakers ukuthi emgcwabeni kungabe sekuthiwa akuvakali ukuthi speaker so and so bekathini. Ema-speakers sitawenda abe available. Sibe nema-2 pole tents. Sibe na in addition to lamagazibo lesiwabekako kule silver nale bronze sitawungeta la 2 kule platinum. Kuphindze kube ne gas stove lesiyilethako kuze kuthi into khona kupheka. Sibe nelBhayibheli, siphindze sibe nema signs. Lokunye ke siye sikungete kuye ngalo ukuthi loyo client wethu uthanzeni sitakungeta at a fee. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokunye ke ma comrades engakubuta etingcingweni ngicabanga ukuthi sesichazile ma comrades wafika la singafika khona. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga comrade Malenzisa. Sicela usiphinzele le nombolo. Ngive uthi 250 ngicela usiphinzele ama leader le nombolo labatayishaya nangabe bafuna kusitakala. Neke ukuthi ke ikhona enye cell phone number because I understand ngazi i-landline le nomuntu angiphendule nobani. Ngicela usiphinzele le landline malidi.
Okay, i-landline ithi 2505 6391 2505 6391.
Sitayibhala ke masonto amahle inombolo le 2505 6391. Sise live ku Snat FM. Siyaqhizela masonto amahle nangabe khona lofuna ukukubuta. Sitanika lithuba ekugcineni ushaye ubude. Loyo muntu longafisa kubuta. We are still live ku Snat FM. Lenaye ngumxolisa kaMotha. Sina Snat Burial Services ke masonto amahle la. Sithesina nobhala comrade Bongosi. Sina marketing la Malenzisa. Lo maphesheya sina treasurer ke la. Utawukhuluma yena nje la comrade Sindile Ncongwane. Kutawukhuluma yena masonto amahle la asichazele ngenzayo ama shares. Sicela ukuthi ubuye treasurer ngala. Batosichazela masonto amahle ngenzayo ama shares. Kwekuthi bobani laba eligible ukuthenga ama shares. Naloyo ukuthi ke ngiyabona inombolo sibayibhalele la siyabonga zwelabo. Siyabonga maziya Qantosi. Over to you treasurer. Treasurer ke masonto amahle sasichazela ngema shares bothishela bebasolo batika indzaba ukuthi kuthengwa ama shares ka Snat Burial Services. Kutawuvakala ke namhla ukuthi bobani imali la ma shares nekuthi ema dividends tawuthwala nini masonto amahle. Sesigadze wona ama dividends treasurer. Over to you my leader.
Asibonge editor, sivusele emakhaya, sivusele bothishela, sivusele nesive sonke. Singu Snat Burial Services sithanda ukuthatha lelithuba sibonge kuthi usihoste editor Stoti Marketer kunayi inkampani yethu lesanza kuqala sibothishela. Sineligabho lelikhulu ke malunga ngale nkampani. Mina la ngitawuqala khona nje ngidawuqala lapha ekuthenini bothishela bayabuta ukuthi engabe sidzingelani lokuthi sithenge lama shares kule nkampani because we are members of the Snat Burial Scheme. Ngabe nivele nahamba nathi nayo sifaka ngale ka Burial Services. Ngidawucela ukucacisa ke bothishela ukuthi Snat Burial Services uyinkampani yebo le under Snat Burial Scheme but ke unema resources akhe yedwa, unema expenses akhe yedwa. Kufana nekuthi nje malunga ungaba lilunga la Snat Union. Now lunga la Snat Union akusho ukuthi sowutaba automatically a member of the Snat Co-op or you are automatically a member of the Snat Burial Scheme. You need to join. Lo 1000 lesimbadalago lesimbita ngema shares, simbita ngema shares because we want you to understand ukuthi yini kahle kahle lele kwenda wehluke ezilunga la Snat Burial Scheme nalunga la Snat Burial Services. Lo 1000 it is a membership fee yangala. It is true ukuthi Snat Burial Scheme uwakhile wakha Snat Burial Services. Liqiniso lithi Snat Burial Services we are expecting that company to pay i-rent ibhadale lesakhiwo. We are hosting another company here long Snat Burials Snat Medical Aid. That company too yabothishela but yona nayo ibhadala i-rent ibhadala la kulo SNAT burial scheme. Kutawende kanjalo ke malunga na SNAT burial scheme, I mean SNAT burial services ucele kutofihla inhloko la utawubhadala every year or every month abhadale i-rent. Emalunga a-SNAT burial scheme atawuchubeka abenefite ka-SNAT burial scheme njengoba sikachazile nobhala all the benefits bekakade awathola bese lawa angala because uwona asisitile ukuthi sitholele capital yekuqala sithenge letinto lebesidinga for this company. They will get dividends at the end of the year. Kukhona ke lomunye umbuto lovelile ukuthi engabe sisenda njani siwathenga njani lama shares. Shares ke that is the membership fee, in other words siwathenga ngema stages. Kube bekungile terminology ya kuma shares bengitawuthi ma allotment stages. Sawathenga kuqala savala, that was the first allotment. Siphinde savula ke malunga ngekucelwa ngini nangesidingo because we didn't buy lama shares sonke simalunga a burial scheme, so le need isesekhona le ukuthi sichubeke sidevelop lo burial services, le mali iseseyincane. So we opened shares sitawavala nje nyalo nga December. Some teachers ke bebakhala ukuthi lama shares makhulu lo 1000 isikhomola. Ngiyacela ke bothishela ngoba atawuphinze avulwe, siyavala nyalo nga December sitawuphinze siwavule futhi. Nasiwavula akusho ukuthi thishela so ubophelelekile ukuthi abhadale lo 1000. Yebo, it is a once off payment. Wambhadala wonke sowucedzile awuse uphinze ufunele omunye 1000 up until you die or up until you get dividends ngalo mnyaka, because we are expecting ukuthi dividends siwathole every year. I mean to say, I'm sorry, every month ngeke sikhona every year. So if wena bowukade ukulabala bathenge lama shares ngalo mnyaka lo, you are entitled to dividends. Ngingakucacisa ke nako ukuthi yebo nasaqala inkampani akabi ngilangakanani, because people will expect ukuthi bade uthola tinsamba, but ke because isaqala le nkampani we still need this share capital to develop in other places of the country. Vele sisadinga imali leningi, kungendeki uthole bo 10 rand, kungendeki uthole bo 20 rand, but I'm not saying you are going to get that amount. Now ufuna ke kuba i-shareholder ngala ka burial services, uvele uthathe le nombolo ye passbook yakho uyende i-reference uye e-FNB, ufike e-FNB ubhadale le mali, noma ubhadala 200 kuye ngelikhikhi lakho ukuthi linganani, ubhadale up until the total ize ibe ngilo 1000, bese so uyathumela i-receipt yakho e-office, siyakureceipt. Asiwa ishuishi ke share certificates, because mshito ekuqaleni ngathi this one is just the same as the 100 emalangeni we are paying ka burial scheme, because now ya ka burial scheme yo join khona ubhadala 100 emalangeni, that is i-joining fee. Nangala ka services ke now uyakhona i-joining fee yakhe ngilo 1000, sikuniketa ke i-receipt si attach la kule passbook yakho, ubhadale lo 1000, ungayithumela ke le receipt e-office, uyithumele nge-email. I-email yalapha emsebentini ke songashaya bese soyayilandzelela ukuthi engabe i-receipt yami niyayibona yini from the email. It is info@snatburial.com, info@snatburial.com. Akudzingi ukuthi uzusuke kalavumisa utofika la kuze usilayele wena ukuthi sowubhadarile shares akho, uvele uthumele le receipt bese soyasitakala. Lama shares ke baholi atawuvulwa in stages like sengike ngasho phambilini. Akusho ukuthi nasutawungena ube lilunga la burial wena nga-2024 so uvalelekile ukuthi ngeke usakhona kuba lilunga la burial services. As long as ulilunga la burial scheme usetawuphinze futhi ube nalo lithuba lokuthi uthengiseleke lama shares. Umbuto lomunye uvelile ke ukuthi what if I die kanti sengiwathengile mina lama shares, are transferable yini kuya kumfanami? Akatransferwa lama shares lawa a burial scheme, because la membership inglamalunga as not burial kude lapho khona kuyawuke kwendeke khona sithi siyawathengisa. It is a private owned company. It is a company owned by the burial members and burial scheme only. If you are not a burial member, you cannot be a member or you cannot be a shareholder in the Snat Burial Services company. Ngiyagcizelela lokho baholi ukuthi vele nangabe umntwana nakho atawugcina asajoyinele eminye imisebenzi ukhanze ukuthi noma so ukunabala badublanako angeke ukhone lokuthi bese sowuthatha lamashares akho uthi akawathathe lo mntwana, because we will find ourselves sesinebantu lesingakafisi ukuthi bayi-one le nkampani. It is strictly for teachers and strictly for teachers laba ka burial scheme. You cannot jump fences ugqumukele ngale ka services ungasilo lulunga la Snat Burial Scheme. Nase uhambile ke emhlabeni lebe kwendeka nyalo bekuthi sibuke lelibhuku lakho la ka burial because lina le receipt sivele siku refund lo 1000 emalangeni, and again lo 1000 sitam refunda kuwo onke emalunga aSnat Burial Services. Kufana nekuthi wena usibolekile lo 1000 ukuthi sisungule le nkampani, nase uhamba emhlabeni siyawumfaka kanye nalo 15000 wakho lo mthola ngale ka Snat Burial Scheme bese kuba ngi16000 so uhamba nayo. Ngiyabonga editor.
Ngiyabonga lo treasurer angathi ukuthi khona question yami ngiyifuna la yenza be cremation iphendula ngibani nobani cremation yama tombstones ukuthi sawunaweni yama tombstones Snat Burial Services emalunga la ayavisa ku masada manje indawo shaya ucingo onyalo la sengingawavula amalayini nishaye ku +268 7606 5972 noma ku +268 7906 5972. Nangabe unembuto lofuna ukubuta seningashaya masada amahle kodwa ke ningakashayi asikaphendula umbuto wema tombstones treasure lo munye umbuto utawuphendula ngonobhala la.
Ngiyabonga editor. Indzaba yema tombstones indzaba lesepipini nananayo editor. Sekuthi njeke ngeke siqale ngegijima sizama ukuqala ngekucathuda kuze kuthi sikhone kube sesiyagijima. Sesike sayawabuka nawo ema tombstones ukuthi atholakalapi because it is an in thing these days. Akusendiwa vele lo ukuthi umuntu agcine ngala matshe esiganga sebayawafuna lawa lamanyatela. So wabukile ke comrades kuthi madudane yiservice lesitabe siyi-offerisha leyo sekuthi nje sisahamba step by step singaze sigileke siwe.
Ngiyabonga treasurer. Nobhala sicela siphendule na iquestion ye decentralization. Siyathi ukuthi la burial services mkhulu sibili masada manje ndawushaya lana nangabenzi clarity kulama issues +268 7906 5972. Si live ku Snat FM sina Snat Burial Services today. Nitawushaya ke masada manje mabi khona umuntu lenawo nga Snat Burial Services kunembuto nje lo velile la but ngicabanga uso covered leyo kusinabe ke angisuye ngingamjoyina in Snat Burial Services but ke nobhala ntoliphindulela lena ye decentralization manje.
Siyabonga editor, siyubonga nembuto. Kuselihlelweni lethu lokuthi si decentralize ushito marketing lana naka chaza lokuthi sine more than kwakha iprofit. Siyakubuka nalokuthi kufuna iservice yethu ibe friendly kulabantu. Kahle kahle sitolekelela eMaswati. So siyawufika kuwo onke ema regions ngoku decentralize lo msebenzi lo. Letinye indzawo nje already eshiselweni sesinako la khona basikhombe khona ukuthi singakhona ukuthi establish our company and offices. Thank you.
No, ngiyabonga nobhala. Seningashaya ke Maswati nyalo nangabe nembuto lenawo nga Snat Burial Services yinkampani lena yabothishela but accessible to emaswatini onke. Seningashaya masada amahle nyalo is the 1000 cash or it's payable within a few months. Kungasiphendulele ke treasurer le ukuthi ungabhadala ngama installments. Asenishaya ke masada amahle mangabe nembuto lenawo nyalo 7606 5972 or 7906 5972. Sikhathe ukuthi nishaya masadamata mangabe ikhona umuntu lenawo nga Snap Burial Services ningashaya nyalo go +268 7606 5972 noma ke go +268 7906 5972. Treasure Uti, thank you for the clarity on buying shares. Is the deadline still this December as posted in the platform? Yeah, ungawuphendula ke kafishane ne treasurer lo muntu ukuthi is the deadline still no December no noma ndaphiza futhi niqhuba asawuphendula kafishane ne treasurer.
Yebo ngaleso sihlalweni i-deadline solo imile ku-December bese i-extendile emalungana ningakhumbula kahle nithi nicela mane uthiwe hadla i-interest ma-co-ops bese semele lokho kodwa ke kunethembisa ukuthi iyagcina ngalo 30 December but itawuphinze ivulwe. Ningathatha nje naleya Christmas baholi niye ebhange nifike nifake le 1000 ngoba vele i-deadline seyishayile ama-installments akasavuma asatawuvuma next time nasesiphinze sivula. I-account number ise-FNB ithi 6284804147 6284804147 ungakhohlwa kureferensa nge-passport number yakho ya Snap Burial Scheme uthumele i-receipt nge-email noma utilethele wena office utokhona kubhaliseka. Siyabonga.
Ngicela uphize le email address ke treasurer. Ngikhumbula mase uthe info@snapburial.com. Ngicela ukuthi uyiconfirm noma angicela marketing awusikhumbule le email address. Let's come with the email address marketing. Le email address lena kama sadamati kula tawusenda kuyo nase uyayiscanner le receipt le proof of payment lesho kusobhadele bese senda kule email le sicela usitshele ke mali zithi.
Okay, email address yethu it's info@snapburial.com. info@snapburial.com. Nikhumbule ke futhi malunga kokuthi besingakaniki i-cellphone i-cellphone lekhona mabili ithi 7621 7248 7621 7248 lenye ke malunga ithi 7635 0296 7635 0296.
Uphakamisa unobhala lana masadamati siyaxolisa kuloko. Cela uyiphinze malenzisa le nombolo.
7635 0296 7621 7248 isaxosa malunga for leyo confusion leyo but nje 7621 7248 siyabonga malunga shayane office ndakuthola sithi
sebavele bayibhalile la le nombolo. Siyabonga kakhulu masadamati kuba nathi la ku Snap FM today lonani emsakadweni umculiso kaMotha. Zengawucela bavalelise ke lamhlala kushoye ukuthi kuvakele konke lesikuchazile kuvakele namthishela uyabuta la is it compulsory for every member of the Snap Burial scheme to pay the 1,000 for the shares. Is it compulsory? When was wonke lolunga le burial scheme but athenga lo 1,000 noma shares. Ngayiphendula marketing noma
ngayiphendula editor. Akusiko compulsory. But
Yes.
ngicabanga ukuthi lesibukile sithi nyalo si dealer ne 20th century teacher.
Okay.
Tishela lotawuba empowered tishela futhi lo satawushiya ilegacy for bamfa bakhe.
Okay.
So we're encouraging botishela ukuthi nyalo they must switch to a mind of an entrepreneur. Bakhe lesitukulwane sabo. So it's not compulsory but we encourage ukuthi thenga shares ungasaleli emuva. Thatha nje le risk uthenga shares ungasaleli emuva.
Siyabonga kakhulu marketing babuta inombolo yasezimobile lana nobhala bathi inombolo yasezimobile ke ngase banike MTN kuphela lesinabo namhla emsakatweni kuSnat FM nguSnat Burial Services sesitawuvala masala amathi akathi nawusikhona inombolo yasezimobile asesibale We are still live masadlamahle ku Snat FM sina Snat Burial Services namhla asebasinike ke inombolo yasazi mobile over to you Malizi.
Okay, siyabonga editor. Siyabonga Motha. Okay, inombolo ya Swazi Mobile engashaya kuyo ma comrades ndabathola abo driver office kule nombolo lena lena dinombolo ta services lesetinika tona ithi 7973 7165 79737165.
Hayi siyabonga masadlamahle bangibhalela bozwela labo la bangendela kube lula kakhulu siyabonga kuba nani masadlamahle online nobhala ngicela ukuvalelisa asayicela wena Malizi uvalelise sebada uvalelisa ke masadlamahle sesiyaphuma la over to you Malizi.
Okay, sicela kunivalelisa ma comrades anivalelisa botishela nemaswadi onke siyabonga ngokuthi nihlale nathi nilalele lokho besitectoni ichazela khona
Siyabonga Melilo uyanike Trezor na nobhala la Yes Trezor.
Siyabonga kakhulu malangeni kusilalela Nkosi yami kulolu suku lwanamuhla. Kukhona umbuto lengiwubona la line uthi manje so any member who joins for shares is strictly joining with 1,000 or they can up their joining fee. Ngicela ukucacisa malunga ukuthi lo 1,000 wethu sonke noma ngabe unemali lenengi you are not entitled to buy more than lo 1,000. It's just a 1,000 once off. Uyabe sokucedile sibalekela indzaba yokuthi ukhanze sesithathwa kuthiwa sey-major shareholder umuntu ebhizinisini khanze soyakukhweshisa endzaweni yakho. Sifuna ukuthi bonke bothishela babe nelivi linye nabakhuluma bathi ukuthi siyalingana. Sibonge kakhulu Mvulane, sibonga kakhulu editorial umsebenteni wendako omuhle comrades nisifikisana lapho besingeke size sifike khona singuSnat Burial Scheme. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga Trezor nobhala asangena nje. We are still live masadlamahle ku Snat FM asangena nje nobhala umbuto la uthi uthola malini na ufele isihlobo sakho lokho silunga la Snat Burial Scheme leli kwendlula nomuntu ke nobhala wami bese siyavalisa Melilo.
Siyabonga editor. Now ufelwe isihlobo sakho ka burial scheme kuyadependa ukuthi uspouse noma is just a normal beneficiary. Naso le spouse kumele ukuthi sibe registered phela kahle as a spouse nale subscription ivume lo ukuthi vele bosibhalisile lokusho ukuthi kuspouse kuba ngu-15,000 emalangeni, ku-beneficiary kuba ngu-6,000 emalangeni. La kule spouse iyadzingeka nayo incwadi noma le document lefakazelako lokuthi vele nishadile, i-marriage certificate. Ngalawo magama sicabanga ukuthi we've said it all. Siyabonga kakhulu editor, sibonga Snat, sibonga nemaswati nje ukuthi asinikete indlebe yawo. Siyathemba ukuthi lusuku lutaba luhle, sibe nempilo lenze. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you.
Masadamahle asithathe lithuba nathi singu-Snat FM sivalelise. Sibonge kuye Snat Burial Services kuba nathi lamuhla lana ka-Snat FM. Siyethemba batawuphindze babe available emalangeni. Siyabonga kakhulu Masadamahle lonivalelisako ku-Snat FM. Nguye Mxolisi kaMoza sengu-12:15. Siyavalelisa Masadamahle.